Hello friends, day 63. Loch Lomond did not disappoint. The light just keeps changing as you're walking along the shore, and the hills one minute look menacing and the next minute inviting. Chris Lock, my friend, who's a wonderful photographer, check out his photographs, Chris Lock, Wiltshire, and you'll see what I mean. But he would love it here, all the beautiful shadows and light. As usual, meeting lots of people on the trail, and today I met a couple that really impressed me. They really are inspiring. They sadly lost their son to cancer at the age of 24, and they now celebrate his life every year with a walk. And as the father said, if he wasn't doing that, he'd probably be drowning his sorrows in a bottle of whiskey. So I do take my hat off to you. It's not what life throws at us, it's what we do with it. I know that might sound a bit trite, and it's not meant to. Another person I met today was at breakfast. A lady was asking me about the walk and saying that her husband had always wanted to do Land's End to John O'Groats, and she texted him. He works in Dubai, and he came back and said he's already following me, subscribed to me on YouTube. So it is good to know that people are actually finding me and hopefully discovering a bit more about Hope and Homes for Children as well, because that after all is the purpose behind all this, as well as me enjoying my walk. The other big news is that after extensive testing last night, Big Agnes is leak free. Big Agnes being my sleeping mat. Hopefully it will stay leak free. We will see. More lovely views of Loch Lomond to come tomorrow, I'm sure, but in the meantime let me show you where I've been today, and see you on the trail. These were the only midges I saw all day. This is my loch side room with a view for tonight. I know it's not a good idea to camp next to a loch because of midges, but there really isn't anywhere else.